When you want to learn new skills online, whether it is tech, business, design, or anything else, there are so many platforms claiming to teach you the real skills that matter. Three popular names you will see are Kodree, Coursera, and Udemy. They all help you to learn, but they work in very different ways and are based for different kinds of learners. In this video, we will compare Kodree, Coursera, and Udemy and help you to decide which platform teaches real skills for your goals. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools that truly help you to grow. If you want to explore any of these platforms or find special offers, check the link in the description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using that link, any available discount or offer, they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about the Kodree. Kodree is a platform that focuses on practical project-based learning. It teaches skills that are directly tied to the real work tasks, like building a portfolio project, creating real apps, or doing work that clients actually pay for. Instead of watching long theory lecture, Coderee's style is often interactive with exercises and real outputs that you can show to employers or clients. Because of this practical focus, many beginners find it helpful when they want to build work-ready skills faster. Kodree also often updates its courses to match the current industry tools and trends, which means your learning style is relevant to what companies want right now. Next, let's talk about the Coursera. Coursera partners with universities and institutions to offer courses, specializations, and even degree level certificates. This means you get a structured academic level of learning, often taught by professors or industry experts. Coursera is great if you want the deep understanding and credentials that feel more formal and professional. Many companies recognize the Coursera certificates, and some courses even offer the hands on project and peer reviews. This makes Coursera strong for the learners who want both theory and application, especially if you plan to use certificates for employment or skill validation. Now, let's talk about the Udemy. Udemy is one of the largest online learning marketplaces. Anyone can create a course, so you get a huge variety of topics from design and photography to coding and business skills. Udemy courses range from the beginner's basics to the deep technical tutorial. And you can buy a course once and you own it forever. One of the big advantages of Udemy is that it offers very affordable pricing and frequent discounts, which makes it easy for the learners on budget. The downside is that the quality of courses can vary because anyone can upload content. Some courses are excellent while others may be outdated or less structured. So, how do these platforms compare in terms of teaching real skills? When we talk about the real skills, we mean practical application that you can use immediately in the real world. In this sense, Kodree focuses strongly on hands-on learning and workspace project. It's less about theory and more about the doing things that feel like real work, which is great if you want job-ready skills quickly. Other side, we have the Coursera. It teaches deep, structured learning, combining theory with the practice. Now, it is not just about doing a quick project, it's about understanding why things work and often includes the quizzes, graded assignments, and also include the peer learning. This makes it ideal if you want a strong foundation and recognized credentials to show. Udemy gives you the access to massive library of the topic and real skill courses created by professionals and practitioners. You can learn practical skills from real experts, but because the quality varies, it is important to choose the highly rated courses with recent updates. This means your real skill learning depends on choosing the right instructor and course. In terms of pricing, Kodree often focuses on monthly or subscription pricing tiers to access to the all projects and tools. Coursera uses a mix free audit and paid professional certificates or specializations, sometimes with financial aid options. Udemy is most one-time purchase per course, often deeply discounted during sales, which makes it very affordable for learners who want to own content permanently. So which one should you choose? If your priority is hands-on practical skills that feel like real work, then the Kodree is very strong choice. It's built around the project-based learning and real output. If you want structured academic level learning and you want the recognized certificate, then Coursera is a better option because its courses are university backed and often involve credentialed certificates. If you want affordable topic specific courses with flexibility to learn many different skills, then Udemy gives you access to a huge library at low cost, as long as you choose good instructors and updated content. Each platform teaches the real skills, but the way they deliver learning is different. Your choice should match your goals, whether you want the project work, certified learning, or affordable skill courses. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between Kodree, Coursera, and Udemy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech. Check the description for the links to these platforms and any available offers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.